mama. Oh, mama. Again? Very good. Complete though. January, February. I don't even know that. January, February, March, April, May, June, July. All right. the last month of the year. Oh wow.
5th of December.
Oh,
the last
galing,
month
ang
of
galing.
the
Who
year.
taught you that? Huh?
I learned it at
Oh, you learned it at school? Wow.
They had a program at
No
school.
wonder.
She remembers the song.
Pati yung tono niya, kompleto. With the guitar. Very good, Ava.
You need to pick? Okay.